नंबर्स दिए विजय जी ने, ऑब्वियसली आपके लिए तो म्यूजिक टू द ईयर्स, राइट, एज अ फंड मैनेजर एंड एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर इन इक्विटी मार्केट, क्या करेंगे इतनी धनराशि का?
So we are very small, Anuj, but I think from an economy...
स्मॉल, आपका फ्लेक्सी कैप फंड भी इज बिकम क्वाइट बिग नाउ.
Yeah, I think thanks to all our investors and for their trust and confidence. But I think we're all beneficiary of the huge tailwind. And I would say the regulator and all the participants, including the depository, the exchanges, brokers, obviously funds, media, I think accolades to all of them, because this whole ecosystem has been developed over a period of time collectively. But if you actually see, this is what the country needs. We have more than enough capital domestically. I think we needed it to be channelized in a way which could aid growth. And I think this is what this has done. Imagine if the kind of selling which foreigners were doing, if there was no support from the domestic side, I think the confidence in the country, the confidence in the capital market would have been broken completely. As we speak, we are in the midst of a war. Oil has hit 120, rupee has hit 95, foreigners have sold the highest ever in the month of March. And we are fine, we are okay, we are lagging behind the world, but we have not crashed. Now imagine if things were to improve now with these election results, and hopefully these two states start to fire and there is some possibility of truce happening. I think this is all the retail investors and crores of them and more to come. I think they would be obviously the beneficiaries, because jo gora gaya hai, wo aage piche, they will come and buy at a higher price. It's very, very clear. But we still have 45 mutual funds. I think there is room for another 50. People say there are too many funds. I would say that we have only 45 funds. When I joined the mutual fund industry in 2003, that time we had 35 funds. So between 2003 and 2026, the number of investors have become 50x. The number of funds have gone up only 25-30%. And out of that 45, 47 also, the last 5-7 are like 100, 200, 500 crore funds. So I think we have a long, long way to go. And obviously, I read an ad of a mutual fund that we are 1 out of 3 investors are invested in our funds. So that means they have 2 crore investors. And that got me excited, because हमारे तो 1 लाख ही investor हैं अभी, तो हम तो 1 लाख से 2 करोड़ investor तक पहुंच सकते हैं. I think thanks to Vijay and the others, I think we'll be more than happy if more investors come in.
Oh, absolutely. 35 से 45 फंड्स हुए हैं, उससे ज़्यादा तो डिस्काउंट ब्रोकरेजेस आ गई हैं मार्केट में.
I don't know, but that's actually a fact. I think we have some 47, 48 mutual funds. That's about it.
No, but गोरा गया है वापस.